What you're about to learn could completely change the way you train and the results you get. Most people spend months in the gym, pouring in the effort, and still wonder why they're not growing. This video is going to fix that. We're covering the essential steps to lift properly, and we're revealing the fitness myth that nobody, and I mean nobody, is talking about. Let's get into it. Here's the hard truth. You've been training completely wrong. And it's not your fault. Gyms don't teach this, and most influencers are paid to keep you confused. By the end of this video, you will finally understand why most people, even dedicated ones, never see the results they deserve, despite months of consistent effort. Stay with me. Step 1. Before you touch a single weight, warm up. I'm serious. 5 to 10 minutes of dynamic movement prepares your joints, activates your nervous system, and primes your muscles for maximum force production. Skip this step, and you're gambling with your body. Try leg swings, arm circles, hip rotations, bodyweight squats, or light jump rope. Think of the warm-up as the dress rehearsal, not the show, but absolutely essential to it. Step 2. The golden rule. Perfect form. Every single rep. Before you add more weight, master the movement. For things to remember. 1. Neutral spine. Never, ever round your lower back. 2. Brace your core like someone's about to punch you. 3. Full range of motion. Half reps give you half the results. And 4. This one is critical. Control the weight on the way down. That slow, eccentric phase is where the real muscle building happens. Ego lifters get injured. Smart lifters grow. Step 3. This is the engine of all gains. Progressive overload. Your body is an adaptation machine. The moment it gets comfortable, it stops growing. So you have to keep raising the challenge. You can do this by adding 2.5 to 5 pounds per week, adding 1 extra rep, shortening your rest time, slowing your tempo, or improving your range of motion. You don't have to go heavier every single session, you just have to go harder. Track every workout. What gets measured gets improved. Step 4. And this one surprises people. You do not grow in the gym, you destroy muscle in the gym. The actual growth, the repair, the rebuilding stronger than before, that happens while you sleep. 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep triggers a surge of growth hormone and testosterone. Completely free, completely natural anabolic fuel. Training a muscle again before it's fully recovered doesn't make you stronger. It makes you plateau, the best supplement you're ignoring. Sleep, alright, here it is, the myth that has been silently sabotaging your gains. More reps does not equal more muscle. Everyone thinks hammering out 20 reps with lightweight is the key to getting bigger. Wrong. That builds muscular endurance, not mass. The real driver of hypertrophy is something called mechanical tension. Your muscles need to be challenged with meaningful resistance. Science is clear. The 6 to 12 rep range at 65 to 85% of your maximum effort creates the perfect storm of tension, volume, and stress for maximum muscle growth. Combine that with progressive overload, proper form, and real recovery, and you become unstoppable. Now you know the truth. Warm up properly, every time. Master your form before chasing heavier weights. Apply progressive overload to keep your body adapting. Sleep like your gains depend on it, because they do. And train in the 6 to 12 rep range with intention and real resistance. That is the formula. Simple, proven, and almost nobody is doing it right. If this helped you, share it, use it, and go live. See you in the next one.